Hey guys, welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be doing some shop upgrades. We got the cheapest Hexagon, oh that's super bright, let's go closer. Hexagon lights off Amazon.
Does that count as an upgrade then?
It might be an upgrade. We're gonna find out. Yeah. It was $250. It's about 8 feet by 5 feet, something like that.
So we're gonna work on trying to assemble it and just place it out on the ground, and then we'll see how we're gonna mount it up.
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
It's gotta be the same kit, just different instructions.
Probably.
No ditties, no ditties, no ditties.
Woo!
It's pretty dope.
Leave it on the ground.
And just park over it. Alright, take the floor out, get some resin.
Just put a piece of glass right here. All right, let's get that thing up, huh?
Yeah.
What's this knob do?
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
It looks so little on camera.
Well, it looks pretty little from down here. That's 8 feet. I feel like I can lay down and sprawl up.
7.5. Tip to tip, you can't count that center.
Man, 8 feet really looks a lot smaller from fucking 12 feet away. Oh, that was, we did a terrible job. Oh my God,
That's pretty good.
okay, wow.
That's pretty damn good.
That's impressive, actually.
Dude.
Oh, that's sweet. I think that actually puts out more like the nose, just because it probably spreads it out. But
Okay, get the Miata.
you know, it's weird. It feels warmer in here.
Oh, that's hard to see on the car. Let's move the camera around. Can't get back in.
Yeah.
See it on there, guys? More would definitely be cooler, but for a start, like look at it on the mirror. Oh, that's so sweet. Window, trunk, spoiler. Look at them sweet Miata lights. If you guys want to see how to put that light bar in the Miata. We got a video on that. What do you think?
I am honestly more impressed than I originally thought I was going to be.
Yeah, I mean, for the cheapest Hexagon lights on Amazon, still 250 bucks.
It was simple. I mean, we can't compare it to an expensive one.
Can't compare it to an
we
expensive one.
We haven't seen one really in person, and we haven't put one together. But for simplicity, that was super easy to put together.
Yeah, the amount of light it's putting off and it's spread out is really good. Like, it's a lot easier to see in here now.
Turn that one on.
Yeah.
And that's basically like a giant floodlight, you know?
Okay, so this is the light we have now. This is, and he's gonna turn on 2 of the other ones. Yeah, like that lights up that corner, but it's all dark everywhere else.
Yeah, it concentrates it, but then it really gives a nice even lighting. So I'm far more impressed than I thought it would be.
Thanks for watching, guys. Tell us what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.